Hello and welcome. This is CodingTech Bikash, JavaScript Part 2. Today in this series, I am teaching how to link JS files to different HTML files. So first go to the make files in folder. I'll make here folder JS files in the name JS files. This is folder. Then this open in VS Code. You can use any text editors, Chrome, like not Chrome, the Sublime, etc. I will use VS Code, then make files, HTML files, index.html. Now make write code. I will write code by clicking Shift exclamations, then enter. I'll write here something like in S1 tag. I'll write here. This is the second series. Second series of the JS. Let's say. Now I'll write here script script tag inside. I'll write inline JavaScript code. Enter. Let's let name variable a equals to, let's space to make clear. Inside double quotes, I will write some string like this is alert per series just to close. Similarly, another variable b equals to I'll write here this is a alert per series just to then I'll write in if conditions like b equals to a, then I'll show here alert by alert a. You can give here any variables. Then I will go to the Chrome browsers. You can use any browsers. I'll have these browsers. It's far easy. Go to these files. Sorry, which one I will make on JS files. Inside this, go to right click and open with Chrome browsers. Let's say this is alert for series JS 2. Here it will show that this is the second series of the JS. Now which one I have files? Let's say this one. Now this is inline JavaScript. We can use second outline JS series for this. Make external JS files like main.js inside main1.js you can, or you can copy the same code here. I will remove from this code and paste it here. This one no need, this also no need, because this is itself JS file. Now our task is to link here. Let's write Javascript tag here, no script tag here. Inside tag I will give source src equals to file name. Which one file is name same? I think I have in same inside same folder. Let's check it will work or not. Let's, okay, this is working. I have put here in external files like this. In this way you can link JS file in different files. You can put in different files like PHP files, any other files. Okay, let's today let's okay, for this series only this much. I will discuss more about JavaScript in next series. Please support me with like and subscribe. Thank you. Happy coding.